At Satyam Dewatering Systems, we're committed to protecting communities from natural disasters. In Cuddalore district, we tackled a critical challenge, lowering the water table near a backwater creek to build a flood diversion canal. This project is vital for safeguarding low-lying areas from flooding. Using an advanced multi-stage dewatering system, we successfully lowered the water table by up to 8 meters, ensuring the safe construction of the canal. This project reflects Satyam Dewatering Systems' expertise in delivering innovative solutions for critical infrastructure. Together, we're building a safer future.